In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly duplicate clips or move content around in your edit, copying is one of the most basic and useful things to learn in DaVinci Resolve. The good news is that it's very simple, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. To begin, go to your timeline. This is the area where your clips are arranged for editing, so make sure you're working in the timeline where the clip or clips you want to copy are located. If you don't select anything first, DaVinci Resolve won't know what you want to copy, so this first part is important. From here, click on the clip you want to copy. Once it's selected, you can copy that single clip. If you want to copy more than one clip at the same time, you can multi-select them instead. This is helpful if you want to duplicate a whole section of your edit, rather than just one individual piece. Take a moment to make sure you've selected exactly what you need before moving on, especially if you're working with several clips close together on the timeline. After your clip or clips are selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. That is the standard copy shortcut, and it works as a fast way to copy your selected item in the timeline. If you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, there's another easy method. Just right-click on the selected clip or clips, and then choose Copy from the menu. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. And that's it. The clips are now copied. After that, you can paste them wherever you need in your project. This makes it much easier to reuse parts of your edit, build repeating sequences, or save time when creating similar sections in a timeline. A quick tip here is to always double-check what is selected before copying, because it's easy to accidentally leave out a clip or include something you didn't mean to copy. Using the keyboard shortcut can speed things up a lot once you get used to it, but the right-click option is great if you're still learning the interface. That's how to copy in DaVinci Resolve. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and natural part of the editing process.